Hello everyone, I am Neej Vyas, studying in Standard 12th of St. Xavier School, Bhuj. I am here with some important MCQs of chapter number 3, Designing Simple Website Using Composer. Before starting, I would like to thank Nuzat ma'am for providing me this opportunity and for all the efforts she is making for our better results. So now let's start. Number 1. Dash plays an important role in presenting the business to the world, and the options are A. Files, B. Directory, C. Website, D. All of these. And the correct answer is C. Website. Number 2. Dash helps in promoting the business, selling the products, and attract a large number of customers. And the options are A. Website, B. Document, C. Form, D. All of these. And the correct answer is A. Website. Number 3. Dash in the website will enable the company to get the maximum amount of traffic, therefore making the maximum amount of profit. And the options are A. Lots of information, B. Good design techniques, C. Lots of graphics and multimedia files, D. Slow internet speed. And the correct answer is B. Good design techniques. Number 4. Dash is the collection of interlinked web pages, and the options are A. Form, B. Document, C. Website, D. Web page. And the correct answer is C. Website. Number 5. The challenge in designing good website is in creating a website that is dash. And the options are A. Interactive, B. User friendly, C. Providing accurate and useful information, D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. Number 6. How many general points are to be considered while planning for a website? And the options are A2, B3, C4, D5. And the correct answer is C4. Number 7. Which of the following points should be considered for developing a good website as a part of planning process? And the options are A. Purpose audience, B. Content medium, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Number 8. Which of the following is not an important point to be considered for developing a good website as a part of planning process? And the options are A. Purpose, B. Input, C. Audience, D. Content. And the correct answer is B. Input. Number 9. Developing a good website is similar to any project that requires dash. And the options are A. Detailed organizing, B. Detailed directing, C. Detailed management, D. Detailed planning. And the correct answer is D. Detailed planning. Number 10. From the following, what is the purpose of developing website? And the options are A. To provide information to a group of people, B. To attract new customers, C. To sell the products online, D. Any of these. And the correct answer is D. Any of these. Number 11. Having deciding dash, the content and layout of the website can be properly developed. And the options are A. Audience, B. Content, C. Medium, D. Purpose. And the correct answer is D. Purpose. Number 12. What type of information a website should contain? And the options are A. General and detailed information, B. Specific and non-specific data, C. Incomplete and irrelevant information, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. Number 13. The proportion of the different type and extent of detailed and specific information depends on the dash. And the options are A. Nature of expected website, B. Nature of expected audience, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Nature of expected audience. Number 14. The user expectations from the website are important to know for dash. And the options are A. It helps to develop the appropriate content and layout of the site, B. To gather information of the user, C. To know about interest of the people, D. All of these. And the correct answer is A. It helps to develop the appropriate content and layout of the site. Number 15. In case large graphical files are kept on the website, result into options are A. Website will take a long time to download. B. Users can become impatient while waiting for large files and leave the site. C. Websites become attractive. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. Number 16. Which of the following information should a website contain? And the options are A. Complete relevant. B. Complete irrelevant. C. Incomplete relevant. D. Incomplete irrelevant. And the correct answer is A. Complete relevant. Number 17. Which of the following satisfy users and sustain their interest in the website? And the options are A. Content with excessive use and unknown information. B. Excessive use of irrelevant information. C. Massive and irrelevant data. D. Placing appropriate and relevant content. And the correct answer is D. Placing appropriate and relevant content. Number 18. The website content should be classified into which of the following categories? And the options are A. General. B. Detailed. C. Both A and B. D. Medium. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Number 19. Which of the following content provides an overview of the site, organization, products and services and other items? And the options are A. Detailed. B. Long. C. General. D. Short. And the correct answer is C. General. Number 20. Which of the following content provides and detailed information on the site like products and service description? And the options are A. Detailed. B. Long. C. General. D. Short. And the correct answer is A. Detailed. Number 21. The website design should dash. Options are A. Scale for all the devices. B. Displayed in all the popular web browsers. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Number 22. Which of the following is the first page to open when the user enters the URL address in the address bar of the browser? And the options are A. Home page. B. Last page. C. First page. D. URL page. And the correct answer is A. Home page. Number 23. Which of the following file name is the home page of the website saved as? And the options are A. First.html. B. Index.html. C. Home.html. D. One.html. And the correct answer is B. Index.html. Number 24. The title of web page displayed in which browser of the web browser? And the options are A. Status bar. B. Web bar. C. Title bar. D. Menu bar. And the correct answer is C. Title bar. Number 25. Which of the following is not an option of table properties dialog box of Composer? And the options are A. Size. B. Borders and spacing. C. Color. D. Table alignment. And the correct answer is C. Color. Number 26. In Composer, which option of table properties dialog box is used to give title of the table? And the options are A. Title. B. Caption. C. Heading. D. Table title. And the correct answer is B. Caption. Number 27. In JavaScript, which of the following can be done with cookies? And the options are A. Cookies can be read. B. Cookies can be modified. C. Cookies can be deleted. D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. Number 28. Which of the following is a variable that is stored on the user's computer? And the options are A. Integer. B. Java. C. HTML. D. Cookie, and the correct answer is D. Cookie. Number 29. In Composer, which menu is used to insert a table? And the options are A. Insert, B. Table, C. Both A and B, D. Format, and the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Number 30. Which of the following is used to specify gap between cells in table properties dialog box? And the options are A. Alignment, B. Padding, C. Spacing, D. Size, and the correct answer is C. Spacing. 31. In Composer, which tab of image properties dialog box is used to change the size of image? And the options are A. Link, B. Dimensions, C. Appearance, D. Location, and the correct answer is B. Dimensions. Number 32. In Composer, which option of image properties dialog box is used to display the text in case the image is not displayed in the browser? And the options are A. Tooltip, B. Attribute text, C. Alternate text, D. Display text, and the correct answer is C. Alternate text. Number 33. Which is a variable that is stored on the user's computer that is useful as they provide feature to remember and track preferences, purchases, and commission? And the options are A. Boolean, B. Integer, C. Cookie, D. Float, and the correct answer is C. Cookie. Number 34. How many tabs are shown in table property dialog box of Composer? And the options are A2, B3, C4, D5, and the correct answer is A2. Number 35. Which three tabs are shown in Insert Table dialog box of Composer? And the options are A. Cell, rows, columns, B. Quickly, rows, columns, C. Cell, precisely, quickly, D. Table, rows, columns, and the correct answer is C. Cell, precisely, quickly. Number 36. Which of the following gives a gap between edge of the cell and the text within it in the table properties dialog box? And the options are A. Caption, B. Spacing, C. Padding, D. Border, and the correct answer is C. Padding. Number 37. Height and width of table can be specified in which of the following ways? And the options are A. Pixels, B. Percentage of windows, C. Both A and B, D. None of these, and the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Number 38. Which of the following radio button is clicked in image properties dialog box if you don't want to give alternate text? And the options are A. Hide alternate text, B. Alternate text, C. Don't use alternate text, D. Show alternate text, and the correct answer is C. Don't use alternate text. Number 39. Which of the following tabs are shown in image properties dialog box of Composer? And the options are A. Location, dimensions, appearance, list, B. Location, dimensions, apply list, C. Location, dimensions, apply link, D. Location, dimensions, appearance, link, and the correct answer is D. Location, dimensions, appearance, link. Number 40. Which of the following file name is the home page of the website saved as? And the options are A. First.html, B. Index.html, C. File.html, D. Webpage.html, and the correct answer is B. Index.html. Number 41. In Composer, which option of Table tab of Table Properties dialog box is used to align the table as left, right or center? And the options are A. Size, B. Border and spacing, C. Table alignment, D. Caption. And the correct answer is C. Table alignment. Number 42. What is the name of default file in home page? And the options are A. First.html, B. Index.html, C. File.html, D. Webpage.html. And the correct answer is B. Index.html. Number 43. Dash is built inside directories on a web server and each web page is a separate file on that web server. And the options are A. ASP, B. PHP, C. Web page, D. Website. And the correct answer is D. Website. Number 44. In Composer, which menu option is used to insert an image? And the options are A. Format picture, B. Insert image, C. View image, D. Tools picture. And the correct answer is B. Insert image. Number 45. In Composer, which menu option is used to change the page title? And the options are A. Format page title and properties, B. Insert page title and properties, C. View page title and properties, D. File page title and properties. And the correct answer is A. Format page title and properties. Number 46. In Composer, which menu option is used to insert a horizontal line? And the options are A. Format horizontal line, B. View horizontal line, C. Insert horizontal line, D. Tools horizontal line. And the correct answer is C. Insert horizontal line. Number 47. Which menu option is used to add input text field in the form field properties dialog box? And the options are A. Format form field, B. View form field, C. Insert form field, D. Table form field. And the correct answer is C. Insert form field. Number 48. In insert a table in web page of Composer, which menu is used? And the options are A. Format table, B. Insert table, C. View table, D. Modify table. And the correct answer is B. Insert table. Number 49. In Composer, which menu option is used to give a color to the text? And the options are A. Font color, B. Format font color, C. Format text color, D. Edit font color. And the correct answer is C. Format text color. Number 50. Which menu option is used to create link in Composer? And the options are A. File link, B. Tools link, C. Insert link, D. Edit link. And the correct answer is C. Insert link. Number 51. In Composer, which menu option is used to publish a website? And the options are A. File publish, B. Format publish, C. Insert publish, D. View publish. And the correct answer is A. File publish. Number 52. Using which of the following inbuilt JavaScript function data can be converted into numbers? And the options are A. Praise floats, B. Parse float, C. Praise float, D. Praise floats. And the correct answer is B. Parse float. Number 53. What should be provided if we transfer web pages from our computer to the web host via FTP? And the options are A. Name of the website. B. Number of total pages. C. Username and password. D. Value of method attribute. And the correct answer is C. Username and password. Number 54. From the following, who offers limited free space on the web server? And the options are A. SSL. B. ISP. C. FTP. D. IDE. And the correct answer is B. ISP. Number 55. What is the full form of FTP? And the options are A. File tool process. B. File transfer process. C. File transfer property. D. File transfer protocol. And the correct answer is D. File transfer protocol. Number 56. What is the full form of ISP? And the options are A. Internet Space Provider. B. Internet Service Protocol. C. Indian Service Provider. D. Internet Service Provider. And the correct answer is D. Internet Service Provider. Number 57. Which of the following means we can transfer the web page from our computer to the web host? And the options are A. CTW. B. FTP. C. HTTP. D. ATP. And the correct answer is B. FTP. 58. Which process means to transfer the web pages, images, and style sheets related to the site to a web server from which they can be accessed by users? And the options are A. Downloading. B. To publish a website. C. Website processing. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. To publish a website. Number 59. How can we separate the product name, price, quantity and amount save as string in variable? And the options are A. Colon. B. Semicolon. C. Comma. D. Full stop. And the correct answer is C. Comma. Number 60. How can we separate the individual product description? And the options are A. Colon. B. Semicolon. C. Comma. D. Full stop. And the correct answer is A. Colon. Number 61. How many options of setting tab are there in published page dialog box? And the options are A2, B3, C4, D5. And the correct answer is B3. Number 62. What is the process known as which transfer the web pages, images and style sheets related to the site to a web server from which they may be accessed by the users? And the options are A. Uploading. B. Downloading. C. Website. D. Website processing. And the correct answer is A. Uploading. Number 63. Some of the hosting providers require to keep in a separate directory known as dash. And the options are A. Private underscore HTML. B. Public underscore HTML. C. Public underscore underscore HTML. D. Public underscore HTML. And the correct answer is B. Public underscore HTML. Number 64. How many options of publish tab are there in publish page dialog box? And the options are A2, B3, C4, D. None of these. And the correct answer is D. None of these. Now, last but not the least, generally keep images in a folder in the dash directory. And the options are A. Different. B. Unique. C. Same. D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Same. I hope these MCQs will be helpful to you. Thank you.